What's up guys, it's me AllDayAliDiB, and today's video is on my elegant inexpensive wedding centerpiece decor idea. I wanted to share with you guys some items that I picked up from my local Goodwill and my local Dollar Tree for this haul. We all know that holiday season is quickly approaching, and with me being an event planner, I do know around the holiday seasons there are many surprise proposals and engagement parties, as well as holiday parties with family. So this is my quick, inexpensive but elegant tall centerpiece. You can actually use this for a wedding centerpiece or again a holiday centerpiece. But I will leave all the items that I purchased down in the description box below. Everything was super inexpensive and easy to put together. This DIY only took about 35-40 minutes from start to finish. But what I want you guys to do is go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Also follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I will leave that in the description box as well. But again, I just use these simple, inexpensive items from the local Goodwill and my Dollar Tree to create this elegant look. I wanted to go with fall colors since we are still in fall. I do have some DIYs coming up on Winter Wonderland and Christmas DIY, so you guys gotta go ahead, hit the subscribe button so you're notified when those videos post as well. Yeah, I hope this video is clear enough, and it's pretty self-explanatory and simple to do. I just simply took the clear square acrylic containers that I found and wrapped the Dollar Tree diamond wrap and Dollar Tree ribbon around the bases to actually add more bling to them so they're not as plain. Okay, we want to have elegant centerpieces, not plain. Alright, elegant. As you can see in the video, I actually opted to do like different textures on the different square vases or acrylic vases. The larger one I decided to do the glitter pattern on, so you can actually still see the lights shining through the bottom. You also could not only use the gem lights in the gem or the gems and the lights on the larger acrylic vase. You actually can use the push light or the remote LED lights, which I didn't think about that. Maybe I'll have to do another DIY and try that. But on the smaller vase, I just opted to use the diamond wrap and the ribbon, so you're actually showcasing the flower rose more than on the bottom one, because the bottom vase was much larger, so I didn't want to use so much diamond wrap when I also had the gold on the bottom base, which is super cute, which is a great idea as well if you're trying to make a centerpiece elevated or taller. Add a base or a shelf to make it a little bit higher, as I did with this vase right here. Well, a little plaque to go on the bottom of the vase. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this DIY, and give your girl a thumbs up. Give your girl a thumbs up. Yeah. And voila, we are all done. This is how the centerpiece turned out. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like in regular sunlight without the LED light being in the bottom, and I also wanted to show you how it looked with the light at the bottom. I would actually have opted to use 2 lights in the bottom, but it was all good. Alright, I hope you guys like this DIY, and if you did, go ahead, give your girl a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment and subscribe and share the video. Make sure you guys come back tomorrow for another video with me, AllDayAliDiB. Again, be sure to go ahead and follow me on all my other social media platforms. That is Instagram and Facebook as well. Alright, love you all, and there's nothing you can do about it. Mwah!